Your entry door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, contributes to energy efficiency, and enhances curb appeal. But even the highest quality entry door can underperform if it isn't installed properly. For Glendale homeowners, professional installation is essential to ensuring long-lasting durability, smooth operation, and optimal performance in Arizona's hot, dry climate. Here's how expert installation makes a significant difference in how well your entry door performs day after day. Ensures a precise, secure fit for maximum protection. Professional installers understand that a door must fit perfectly within its frame to perform correctly. An improperly sized or poorly aligned door can create gaps that compromise security, allow air leaks, or make the door difficult to open and close. A professional installation guarantees a secure fit that minimizes gaps, proper alignment for smooth operation, reinforced installation that strengthens the frame, accurate measurements before the door is even ordered. This precision is especially important in Glendale, where dust, heat, and high winds can find their way into even the smallest openings. Improves energy efficiency in Glendale's desert climate. Glendale homeowners rely heavily on air conditioning during long, hot summers. A poorly installed entry door can allow cool indoor air to escape and hot outdoor air to seep inside. This drives up energy usage and monthly utility bills. Professional installers use high-quality weather stripping, proper insulating materials, tight sealing around the frame, expert techniques to prevent air infiltration. With a professionally installed entry door, you'll enjoy improved comfort and lower energy costs, even during peak summer heat. Enhances home security through stronger anchoring. Entry doors are a primary defense against intruders, and installation errors can weaken that protection. A door that doesn't sit securely in its frame, or that has improperly fastened hinges or locks, may be easier to force open. Professionals enhance your home's security by reinforcing hinge placement correctly, installing strike plates and locking hardware, anchoring the door frame securely to the wall structure, ensuring the door closes tightly and locks fully. This level of precision helps protect Glendale families and gives homeowners peace of mind. Prevents warping and damage caused by Arizona heat. Extreme temperatures are a reality in Glendale. When a door is installed incorrectly, especially wood or composite models, it may expand, contract, or warp due to heat exposure. Experienced installers know how to select proper materials for desert climates, account for expansion during installation, apply the right sealants to protect the frame, prevent binding, cracking, or warping over time. This expertise helps prolong the life of your entry door and keeps it functioning smoothly. Ensures smooth operation and long-term reliability. A door that sticks, scrapes, or refuses to close properly is more than just a frustration, it's a sign of poor installation. Professional installers ensure that your new entry door operates flawlessly from day one. They achieve this by installing hinges at precise angles, adjusting the door for perfect balance, ensuring latches and locks align correctly, testing and fine-tuning the door before completing the job. This attention to detail ensures your door works exactly as it should for years to come. Protects your warranty and long-term investment. Most door manufacturers require professional installation for the warranty to remain valid. De-installation or hiring an unqualified installer could void the warranty entirely, leaving you without protection if something goes wrong. With professional installation, homeowners benefit from manufacturer-backed warranty protection, assurance that materials meet performance standards, fewer future repairs, a long-lasting investment in their property. This guarantees that your entry door continues to perform its best for many years. A smart choice for Glendale homeowners. An entry door is more than a visual upgrade. It's a functional component that impacts your home's security, comfort, and energy efficiency. Professional installation ensures your door is fitted, sealed, and reinforced correctly, especially in Glendale's demanding climate. If you're ready to enhance your home's performance and curb appeal, choosing expert installation for your entry door is one of the smartest investments you can make.